Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how can you find the largest file in your Windows 10 if your PC is running low of the storage space and if you don't know which file is taking most room of your device. The Windows File Explorer has a search function that lets you see and shortlist the largest file of your system. But please keep in mind that Windows some things create a large file that are required for system to run. Please don't delete large files unless you know exactly that the file is and what it does. So let's move on our PC and see how can you find it. This is our PC. Here just simply click Windows plus E to open this file explorer, or just you can click on file explorer to open this. Next click on this PC option. After that click on view tab and check this box, hidden items, which drive you want to check to find the largest file of your system. I just simply click on disk F. After that, here in the search panel just type star or asterisk and just press enter. Here you can see searching is start. Here you can find the largest file. Clicking on this size option, here filter by more than 4 GB files. It's searching. I think there is not any file which is greater than 4 GB. I filter in the range of 1 to 4 GB. You can see it filters a file here. You can simply filter according to this, and after that you can delete unnecessary files from your system. You can filter the medium range files 128 MB to 1 GB. Here you can see this will find an application named Filmora. This application is not required for me, so I will delete this. Right click on this and open file location, delete. After deleting these unnecessary files, you can rehide your protected system files and folders. So just simply click on this PC option, view tab and hide options. And last, please keep in mind, never delete any file if you are not sure of what it is. This file could be required by your program to use or by the Windows operating system. So don't delete any file or folder if you are not aware of that. Thanks for watching.